great day for a drive, especially in a 2011 F-150 XLT in silver. It has gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and a 6.5-foot box. It has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has an XTR package, which means it has chrome accents. You also have a trailer tow package. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. The passenger seat is manually adjusted. You have your carpet mat on the floor, your brake is located here, and your lighting controls. You have power pedals and a running board, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, cruise control, volume, and hands-free dialing. And when we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. You can go in there, gauge mode, trip AB, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and they all have sub-menus. You have an automatic select shifter, and when we press the end, you'll see that it says to the right of the odometer reading tow haul. We press again, it'll go off. Little cubby up top, and we're seeing our display with the temperature outside and the time. We have our traction control, hazard lights, CD player, and you have AM, FM as well. Here's your hands-free, volume and tuner. Down below, heated side view mirrors, AC, max AC, your fan, and your climate control. Cigarette lighter, auxiliary line in, USB. Off to the side is 4x4, little cubby, and a little cubby down below. Your armrest has a couple of cup holders, and it opens up for more storage. And then flip it up for another seating position. You have a seat belt, unclip it underneath, and there's more storage there. You can also slide this piece out. It has a cup holder and a place for cigarette ashes. And then off to the side, a little cubby, 12 volt. Your glove compartments down below, grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, 2 sunglass holders, and you're all set to go. 3-inch wheels, chrome and black running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The XTR badging, which indicates that this vehicle has a chrome package. So chrome bumper, grille, tow hooks, running board, handles, and fenders. And in the rear, we have this nice big box with a tailgate, as well as the 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer tow hitch, and locking spare tire. The handle for the tailgate is chrome and lockable, and when we want to open it up, just put our hand in the handle, bring it down, and you've got the 6.5-foot box tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the lever and you can lift the seat right up, and then lift it again. You can bring the seat down. Carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You have a 12-volt and little bin. Up top is dome lighting, hooks, and in the back, access to a sliding window. Chrome bumper, 6.5-foot box. This vehicle is a flex fuel, and it has privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.